Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with a Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're taking a look at Ethereum. An Ethereum article just got released saying 16 Ethereum predictions from a crypto oracle. So I'm not 100% sure what the crypto oracle is, but we're going to take a look at him and see what he's got to say about Ethereum moving forward here. So if that sounds interesting, go ahead and stick around and let's get started. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel. And also, you can also share this video with your friends and family too if they're interested in cryptocurrency. So let's move over into the article here. So I guess this is our crypto oracle. Every year since 2016, I've made predictions about what the next year will bring for the industry. If you pay attention to the incremental change that occur year after year, you realize everything is connected and you can foresee some of the exciting outcomes. 2021 will undoubtedly be a year of blockchain and crypto to take center stage economically, potentially, and socially. Here's what I am seeing coming. The post, this post is part of CoinDesk 2020 year in review. Okay, so let's see. In 2020, the world started an enter scenario or value of Bitcoin digital gold. In 2021, we will witness the same underlying as Ethereum as digital oil. In the next year, Ethereum will solidify its place in future substrate and global digital economy by underwriting the world's contract. Very interesting. So that was our prediction number one. Second prediction, Ethereum 2.0 phase 1 will successfully occur. Obviously, they know that Ethereum 2.0 has taken a while for it to finally get the upgrade. The network upgrade from proof to work to proof of stake will make Ethereum scale and run faster with less computing power. In 2021, we will see a phase 1 of Ethereum 2.0 go live, drastically improving scalability. So yeah, as you can see, Ethereum has been kind of on the move ever since its proof of stake mechanism has been released, but you really haven't had a lot of news just about proof of stake being a thing just yet. Number 3, Bitcoin will reach $60,000 or $50,000. Bitcoin is a singular use case and limited supply. More institutional investors continue to buy Bitcoin. The price will surge to $50,000. All right, so he's saying $50,000 this year, 2021. And I have no doubt that it could obviously probably occur. Ethereum could reach, and he's predicting $2,000. So we'll take a look at the charts and see where how much a percentage gain that would be for Ethereum and where it's at right now. I believe Ethereum's still hovering right above $700. Let me double check over here really quick. But I do think that ETH is still hovering, yeah, right at about $725 or so. So ETH is still looking relatively good for the most part. I think that we're definitely going to be seeing ETH start to skyrocket when, the proof of work and proof of stake obviously gets a little bit more clout in the space too as well. Total DeFi will exceed 150 billion, and in 2021 will be the year of DeFi cross-chain bridges. So cross-chain bridges, obviously, Polkadot's part of that. There's a lot of different cross-chains part of the Ethereum network that simply make it a lot easier of a process to do on-chain or cross-chain protocols of nature. It is undeniable that Ethereum is the home of major decentralized finance activity, but other networks will enter this space and move more material away, putting other native tokens to work in Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem with the various tokenized Bitcoin options growing in popularity, which is TBTC and wrapped BTC. We'll see Bitcoin's 430 billion market cap collateralized in DeFi. This will grow the TVL in DeFi exponentially, while DeFi pulse a key metric is so simple and interesting. Okay, so obviously wrap Bitcoin, that's like Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. It just transfers a little bit faster. I don't really know a lot about the wrap Bitcoin, not too interested in it to be honest, but obviously there's a lot of other DeFi projects out there that could be relatively bullish moving forward into 2021. As Web 3.0 gains traction, the value will occur in the protocol layers rather the application layers. So Web 2.0, the major value lies in the application layer of Stack. The largest internet company on the planet is not a company that maintains the HTTP protocol. It is a company that provides the most value and entrance experience to the user. In Web 3.0, the scope of the application layer will shrink and we will witness protocol infrastructure provide the most value. So Web 3.0 is basically just decentralized web. which was going to be probably pretty amazing. I was watching actually DaVinci J15. He was talking about some of the DeFi protocols and some of the swap exchanges, also using Web 3.0, and how you can like get your wallet plugged into Web 3.0 to start using the decentralized web services through the swap exchanges too as well. Layer 2 will explode. Ethereum will continue to cement its position in the leading layer 1 blockchain. As with any technology stack, there are many levels or many layers that make up the application. With Ethereum as the base layer, we will see an explosion of layer 2 solutions that will augment the Ethereum mainnet to unique features, scalability, privacy, interoperability, and more. DeFi has grown to Ethereum exponential rate, causing the gas fees to skyrocket, transactions to slow. Advancement in layer 2 technologies will provide scaling solutions for all the microtransactions that do not need to happen on mainnet. So 2021 will break through the year of projects like ZK rollups and Optimism. Shout out to Jing Lang Wang. I have no idea who this is they're referring to, but obviously, you know, the stacking on top of Ethereum, the layer 2 protocols. I believe that Chainlink is also a part of the layer 2 protocol as well. You're going to start to see these assets take off a little bit more too. And as layer 2 starts to get implemented, I kind of view this as more like a generation 1 would be layer 1, and generation 2 cryptocurrencies and generation 3 cryptocurrencies are basically on top of those. Or like the layer 2 protocols, but obviously layer 2 is on Ethereum is pretty much your DeFi protocols. Filecoin will step to a global spotlight. I'm gonna have to probably skip over that. Not a huge Filecoin fan, but obviously they're still looking pretty bullish here on Filecoin. Ethereum killers will need to find a niche to be slaughtered. Ethereum killers will need to find a niche or will be slaughtered. Okay, so obviously maybe not. He's not too bullish on other Ethereum killers. You know, I think that would be like Cardano, and talks about even maybe like Zilliqa or Polkadot or something like that too as well. But you know, that's hearsay, thearsay. You know, this is just the Oracle's opinion, and I'm not 100% sure who this guy is, but you know, obviously his picture is there for that. BlockFi, Celsius, and Coinbase is already happening. Will the file initial public offering within a year? The Coinbase will rise. Okay, so obviously IPOing for Coinbase could be an incentive for more people to jump on the cryptocurrency bandwagon and to also invest in a stock company that is an exchange of cryptocurrency. And that would be, I think, one of the first exchanges to have their IPO launched on the NASDAQ too. The U.S. will continue to delay its work, blah, 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 in pursuit of the digital currency. So, you know, man, and this is part of the thing too. Like, you know, there can be so much FUD about regulation and such too. But I have a feeling that this is just on the back burner for them. Cryptocurrency, like, they have a lot more to be worried about, and like such as the election, the COVID-19. I mean, there's just so much that they have to be worried about. Crypto is definitely not on their minds. So, you know, obviously they will continue to delay the work. Dozens of other countries are steadfast in the pursuit of digital currency, and so, you know, there's probably no clear direction on how they're going to move with this train, because there's just so much else to worry about when it comes to those higher echelons of people too as well. And we will witness the first areas of significant enterprise adoption in public blockchains. Okay, enterprise adoptions with Microsoft, and interesting there. So it's calling a lot more of the bigger companies to get immersed inside of the cryptocurrency blockchains too as well, which I have no doubt you've already heard about. Amazon maybe using Ethereum, and, you know, obviously MicroStrategy's purchasing a bunch of Bitcoin to maybe implement some type of POS systems on top of these, you know, cryptocurrencies too as well. I have no doubt that is to occur in the near-term future as well. NFTs will emerge as a leading consumer for Ethereum. So yeah, and obviously the NFTs, the non-fungible tokens, which are basically just like collectibles that you can use. Mostly that's all geared towards using with Ethereum too as well. So I have no doubt that NFTs are definitely going to take off. You've seen like CryptoKitties and all these other things, like pieces of art, digital art, that have been selling for almost millions of dollars, and it's just freaking insane to see that, you know. So NFTs are obviously going to be making well of an occurrence into this space into 2021. Crypto VC will explode. obviously venture capitalists have been definitely seeing potential in the cryptocurrency arena as well. So you're going to see a lot more people come into this, a lot of investors and venture capitalists that will be making their way towards this market in the near term future. So in February 2021, and this was the other thing. So Ethereum is obviously looking to become a CME trading pair too as well. So that would be relatively interesting to see how this affects Ethereum. I do believe that this news was released shortly, either yesterday or the day before, that Ethereum could be added to the CME exchange, which will be relatively interesting for Ethereum to see how it performs for us there too as well. So a lot of things happening in 2021. A lot of people are saying that this is the year for crypto 2021, and I have no doubt that it will be. So folks, don't forget that you can also sign up for our newsletter. We also have a Patreon page down in the description box below. If you want to join us on our Patreon, you can see what altcoins that we're getting into down there as well. But let's take a look at the charts, and let's jump on over there and see what's going on with Ethereum on the charts. All right, so looking at Bitcoin to start us, or this is actually Ethereum. So we're looking at Ethereum right now. Price is sitting at about $725. We've been maintaining support above $700, which is very, very, very nice for Ethereum. You can see that we're starting to get a little bit of consolidation here, sideways movement, just like Bitcoin possibly forming some type of triangle. This looks more like an ascending triangle for Ethereum. So definitely a little bit of a structure difference here than we had been seeing on Bitcoin as well. But obviously, I think that Bitcoin still has a little bit of sideways movement to happen. If we start to zoom out here on Ethereum, we usually like to keep an eye on our daily time frame just to see what we might be referencing here. We had this nice symmetrical little triangle here too, breaking out to the upside, possibly, and also ascending triangle too for us as well. What we've really been keeping a close eye on is our daily time frame. And right now on our daily, we have pushed up above our purple trend line here that we have marked out for us in our past couple of previous videos too as well. We've been making nice support above our 21 EMA here on the daily, which is definitely holding us as support for us as of right now. And then if we zoom over into Cipher B, we can currently see that our daily chart does look like it might be putting in a lower low for a momentum wave, possibly a red dot that could be wanting to form here. We'll have to wait to see if this is going to recover or not, and maybe give us a little bit bigger of a momentum wave on our daily time frame. Money flow is still looking good. It's still headed to the upside. It's a thick enough money flow to where we could have a nice little bounce and continue up higher here with our momentum wave and also price action. I would say that we're definitely going to want to find support above $700 when it comes to the price action of Ethereum. So let's take a look at some of our lower time frames just to see how Ethereum could be acting here. 12-hour does look like it might be ready to kind of fall over, give us a red dot here on Cipher B as well. Folks, if y'all are interested in learning about our indicators that we use, there's links in the description box below. We use the Market Cipher Indicator by CryptoFace alongside with the TI Sequential by ToneBase and the Market Guide buy and sell signal. So we're using a few paid for indicators on this channel. All the links are down in the description box below. If you want to help support with some of those affiliate links, they're available to you down there. If not, the best way and free way to support our channel is to just give us a thumbs up button or comment down below for the algorithm and making sure that our video gets out there, sharing it with your friends and family on Facebook. That's also a good way to get our videos out there and help support the channel, so it lets me know that we're doing something right here, right? So yeah, Ethereum definitely looking like we could have some we'll actually zoom out here a little bit on Ethereum just to get another little reference point. You can see that our 21 EMA even on our 2-day has been making an higher highs here too, finding nice support above our 21 EMA. Zooming out a little bit more on our 3-day and our 4-day, our momentum waves have just been skyrocketing here. We put in a green dot on our 4-day too, and it doesn't look like Ethereum's ready to have quite a big of a sell-off just yet. As Bitcoin starts to move sideways, that definitely gives an opportunity for some of these altcoins to continue to take off a little bit as well. So we're definitely going to be keeping a close look on these higher time frames to see if they're going to give us any red dots. But our 5-day giving us our green dot here. We're gonna have to wait for this to confirm, possibly on the 31st. So we still got a few more days for our 5-day to confirm for us. But obviously, if Bitcoin's sitting at around the $27,000 area, still trying to find its way and hold support above 27,000. We've been bouncing back and forth between 25 and 20 or 26 and 27 and trying to find support above 27 would be the best option for Bitcoin if we want to continue higher. But obviously, now that Bitcoin's kind of trending sideways, that definitely gives Ethereum the opportunity to continue to have higher highs, and also allow some of these altcoins and DeFi coins to continuously pump. So this is just a quick video on some altcoins and DeFi, especially for Ethereum. Obviously, the crypto oracle is pretty bullish here, and I just wanted to get out a quick video on that for you. So with that being said, folks, thanks for sticking around. I'll see you on the next one. Links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel. If not, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way I'll stay updated, and share the video with friends and family. And I'll see you all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.